Welcome back to Disruptors Unleashed, where we explore bold, disruptive ideas and chat with the trailblazers who are redefining industries as we know them. Previously, we heard about modular construction and its impact on the building industry from 9-year-old infrastructure, Victoria, and Dassault Systems' Marty Docher. Today, we continue with our mini series featuring our very own infrastructures. The Dassault Systems infrastructures are the small but mighty engineers, builders, and designers of tomorrow who are asking the big questions, like how our infrastructure and cities need to change to tackle the challenges of today and tomorrow. Joining me today is our infrastructure Amy, who's taking the mic to chat with our 3D Experience EDU lead, Thierry Chevreau, about how we can ensure students today excel as the engineers of tomorrow. The floor's all yours, Amy.
Hi, my name's Amy. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Thierry Chevreau from 3D Experience EDU, the education department of Dassault Systèmes, and I'm supporting the teacher and the student around the world on our technology.
So, I really don't want to do this math homework. Why is math so important? Don't we have computers to do this now?
Okay, Amy, computers are very powerful, even technology like AI, you know that. But do you know that math is even more amazing because it's like the secret language that makes everything smart work? Math is literally behind everything. It's more globally with science that help us build amazing structures, amazing cities, create super smart robots, and make computers that can learn and help us in so many ways. It's like the ultimate superpower for making the world smarter and certainly cooler in the future. And something important, Amy, as all the new technology, it needs humans to direct it. So you will be part of it.
Uh-oh. Does that mean I'll need to do more math?
You definitively need math. But also you will need other skills as well. From 3D modeling and sustainable engineering. 3D modeling is key, is the natural language of the engineer. You are thinking, you are dreaming on innovation that are going to be impactful, but how to translate what you have in mind and to be able to share it with engineers to ensure that your ideas, your concepts are going to be produced in the real life. And when it's about sustainable engineering, I am quite sure that you want to impact and to have meaningful impact regarding sustainability and being sure that everything you do is positively impacting the planet, okay? So for that, our technologies are addressing this language and the grammar, if I may say that, is sustainability at the core.
Sustainability at the core? What does that mean?
That means that everything you are thinking about with 3D modeling will allow you to articulate that for having a sustainability impact.
Oh, why are things like simulation and modeling so important in delivering sustainable solutions?
So the products are more and more complex. By connecting and taking advantage of the connection of different disciplines and industry knowledge. And to be able to make that possible, it's a question of, in the virtual world, being capable to model in 3D, but also to test and innovate and try as many possibilities as possible very quickly and very efficiently. It's a question, for example, of imagining a new material that will be 100% recyclable. It's the possibility to test new concepts of mobility, new concepts of energy, trying to have new energy sources. So the potential is so huge. It's the question of ensuring that engineers, people who are innovators, can be immersed in a place, what we call a 3D universe, where all this technology can be connected together to be ultra efficient, to be ultra reactive, and to be, at the end of the day, ultra creative.
Wow! Can today's engineers already do this? I've heard there is a skills gap.
Amy, this question is really critical because if we are not addressing this skill gap, That means that the industries who are going to transfer such type of innovative concept to the real life, they won't have the people knowledgeable with the right skills to be able to define it properly, to innovate on it, to produce them, and so on. So that means that there will become a bottleneck, and you will have two populations with people like you, very innovative, very committed to be impactful in terms of sustainability, and on the other side, having companies not being able to really transform this creativity to something concrete, something in real product, real service that have impact on the world. So we are there connecting you innovators, thanks to your teacher, to connect your school with the industry reality, to be a facilitator that connect the dot and the people and ensure that this pipe of talent with the right skills is really smooth and efficient.
So, how is Dassault Systèmes helping achieve that? How are you contributing to closing the gap and helping connect innovators with industry needs?
At the end of the day, we are just people who are facilitators, knowing the constraint of both worlds and ensuring that we provide everything to the academic institution, to the teacher and the student for an engaging learning experience that is as close as possible to what is expected in the industry. It's what we call industry realistic education experience. We provide industry inside the walls of the classroom thanks to the education experiences, the virtual twin, providing industry use cases that are the perfect place, the perfect playground for having kids, students to really be empowered and start to develop the right skills.
When I go into my classroom at school, it's still pretty old-fashioned. What could I expect in a classroom using 3D Experience EDU solutions?
What we're providing is to ensure that we are always something that is more realistic. Realistic means what the industry is working on, okay? How can you imagine that if your experience is really focused on theory in math, theory in physics, and on the other side, the industry is expecting to really innovate? That means that all these ideas, this concept, this theoretical stuff has to be applied, has to be modeled, has to be assessed in the virtual world to ensure that the innovation will have an impact. So it's putting in the hand of the teacher when it's about supporting academic transformation, but it's also the same when we are supporting students in the student competition. Is providing them the know-how of the industry that has been adapted to the audience to ensure that it respects their constraint and it respects that it will be seamless, because what we want is an innovator, a student, a teacher that is motivated to really empower his students. They have no obstacles, no hurdles. It's ultra smooth to transform the creativity to something that is a project that can be transferred to the real world.
Speaking of the real world, can you talk a bit more about what you're actually doing here? Is there any place we can see these learning experiences in action?
Let's take the example of First Robotic. It's a robotic competition, okay, that addresses high school pupils. And they are really addressing complex topics because a robot is a mechatronic system, meaning that it's the combination of mechanics, electronics, coding, and other stuff. And they are able to design in 3D, to test in the virtual world, and produce, because very often I said that curiosity is important, but also the maker spirit is also important. Being able sometimes to tinker and produce what you have dreamed with 3D.
Suns like a lot of fun. I bet it's super exciting to be on the winning team.
You can see the smile and the sparkle in the eye of those pupils, and that demonstrates that we win with this. We win with this because at the end of the day, this is not only a simple robot. This is something that conveys all the positiveness and the energy to create this type of tomorrow's innovator.
And then, what's next?
And when you go to higher education, you go at the end of the day, you are closer to the industry and employability. So the challenge has to be more challenging, if I may say that.
I know this. You work with Formula One teams, right? Tell me more about that.
With the Formula Student competition, they play exactly the same as the Formula One team, producing a 1-1 scale e-Formula with a very strong requirements, and they play as a team with all the collaboration spirit, with all the discipline, knowledge and skills that are exactly the same that are expected by the industry. And the competition is really amazing. And to do the connection and to ensure that we are addressing and we are able to onboard, if I may say that, any student around the world, we have created Accruti.
Accruti?
Accruti is a design competition with drivers that align with the sustainability goals. So for that, that's something that is scalable, replicable everywhere in the world, and we are ensuring that each single innovator from a school, because he's motivated, because he's curious to challenge himself, is able to play the game, is able to demonstrate that his concepts are really interesting and impactful. So this is, with this third approach, something that allows us at the end of the day to ensure that students, whether they are part of an academic institution or whether they are working with, within a club with a team of friends, they are able to deploy their creativity in 3D with our solution and start to become and be recognized as innovators for the future.
Wow, this sounds so fun. It makes me want to start innovating right now. Thanks for showing me what's out there.
You're welcome, Ami, and I really believe in your generation, and it was really a pleasure to speak to you when I see how you are engaged in sustainability and how you want to impact the world.
Back to you, Yanni.
Thank you, Amy and Thierry, for sharing such inspiring perspectives. Want to hear more? Tune in to Disruptors Unleashed to hear from other infrastructures on the biggest challenges impacting our infrastructure and cities. Till next time. Disruptors Unleashed is produced by Dassault Systems. For more episodes, follow us on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Deezer, or your nearest audio streaming platform. To learn more about Dassault Systems, visit us at 3ds.com.